on, guys? Hope everybody's having a great day. Today we are back and we're actually getting ready to go. I did a vlog yesterday. Of course, you know, the vlogs were different days. But today's actually, I guess, Black Friday. I mean, well, quote unquote unofficially because...
Well, it's the Friday after Thanksgiving, so it's Black Friday.
Yeah, but there isn't really a lot going on right now, I don't think, sale-wise, is there? Anyways, today we are going to go get some truck parts, but it ain't because it's a sale. It's literally I needed some truck parts. But we are going to head to Harbor Freight because December 4th is my birthday, and I seen where Harbor Freight has a sale of it's like a rolling tool cart with like a wooden top and everything. I'm like, that would be good to have to put tools and stuff in for the garage, and also would be good to put the rear end on and work on it and everything. Because I was like, where can I put that? Because I don't want to lay it on the ground while I'm painting it. So, yeah. So we're going to go do that, do a little bit of shopping and stuff, trying to finish Christmas. So let's go ahead and hit the road. Alright guys, got the toolbox in the back, gotta run to Track Supply, then the parts store, then we are back to the garage bound to get the sucker out and see what it looks like. They didn't have no drums, have to order those. They didn't have the shocks, they didn't have anything except for some stuff. So I'll probably order the rest of the stuff online because it's just cheaper getting stuff online because you get coupon code. Alright, so I don't know why I put these back on. I have no clue. But anyways, we got this sucker off. I'm hoping this comes off. I got my ball peen hammer, as my cousin always puts some emphasis on it. To be honest, I don't know when the brakes has ever changed on this truck. It wasn't changed when we had it. We're going to put new drums. They didn't have new drums. I've got the new brake shoes and stuff, but they didn't have new drums over there, so I'll end up getting some new drums and stuff. I don't know where at though. Actually don't look too bad, really. I mean, it's just older. We'll put all new hardware kit. What we'll do is, I'm gonna get a new self adjuster and everything. So all that I'm getting all new. So it'll be all new except for, you know, the actual axle itself and everything. But we're gonna place all this. I'll clean it up real good. We're putting a new wheel cylinder in right there. We got new wheel cylinder and we got the new hardware. So we'll put it in. And when I go put this back, who made drum brakes was the devil because I hate drum brakes. Usually whenever I do drum brakes, that guy usually helps me. He's been helping me. He actually helped me get this up here because this thing actually weighed pretty good. I was like, daggone, this is like, basically kind of, 1500 style truck. Well, a 150, but 1500 style. Like my Cummins, boy, it'd be a butt to get on there. But we're gonna go ahead and take the other side off because I learned I should have took the spacers off before I took and put it up here, because we're having to put like a wooden dowel here and then get off like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and take the other side off, probably remove all this stuff, clean it, and then once we paint it and stuff, that's when we'll put all the new stuff back on. Stuff going back in it. Now, I do apologize if you hear the heater in the background. If we turn it off, it just gets too cold. So it's just something we're gonna have to deal with. I might put it over in that corner, let us shoot down this way instead of shooting exactly where we're working at. Somebody trying to dim the lights? Who? Trying to outdo my Christmas lights? When they... Y'all ain't seen it yet, but I got a humongous like 11-foot Grinch out here. Yeah, there he is. You can't see it very good, but we got the Grinch out there. If you got more lights than me, I'm going to turn into the Grinch. he's trying. See, he told me he was going to try out do me with Christmas lights. So I've been working a lot, and he's been slack up to this point. So he's just trying to creep in there with me. These actually aren't that. I figured these would have been pure heck to try to get off. I knew I couldn't get that off, so luckily we're replacing everything. Getting it? I'll leave that bolt there. Oh yeah, you're taking that off. All junk. New stuff, junk. Try not to let this fall on your head. Still got it. Fall on your head. I got it. I got it. We're good. We're good. Alright, readjust. Readjust. There we go. I gotta get a new cable too. To be honest, I mean, this, I don't know if this one was, but this cable wasn't even hooked up, so we might just block that off and not even do emergency cable. I don't think my Cummins is the only one I've ever had it work. That's in there, ain't it? So we got everything slightly clean. The only thing is I don't have a new cover for this. I do want to get one. I'm going to call tomorrow because the Vance is actually closed. Call tomorrow, see if they have one, because I get one on eBay for like, I think it's like a Yukon cover for $31, but it wouldn't be here until Friday. And today is Saturday, so I want to see if they have one. If they have one there, it's the same. It's like $41, but comes with the gasket and everything like that, so we can replace the cover here. But I mean, I can still paint it and stuff, but once I paint it, that's when I'll get the cover off and everything. I think it's got some glue coming through. But anyways, I don't even think they used the cover. I think they might have used like blue glue type deal. But anyways, got it cleaned up pretty good, looking good. Not really worried about in here. I'm actually probably going to tape it off so we don't get anything on this side or anything. Big shout out to my cousin. He was here to help me today. It felt like old times, because when we was kids and stuff, I was like the youngest grandchild, and like all my cousins was out in the garage building stuff and everything. Of course, I was just there watching. So it's my turn to build some stuff. But anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you did, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you punch that subscribe button. This is Ghost, and I will see you in the next one. Woo! America.